Let's check the engine first. Now for the body. Surface rust. Documenting this spot here. The rust is deeper than I thought.
All right, let's raise this old beast. Copy that. Tightening the chassis bolts. Looking good, keep it steady.
From forgotten relic to modern concept. Restoring the Mac R model with cutting-edge upgrades. A perfect fusion of classic design and future technology.
All right, crane's ready. Lift it slow. Got it, aligning now. Watch the mounts, up steady. Clear, holding steady. All right, let's get this panel on. Got it. Lifting the panel now. Easy does it. Line up the edge. Aligned, ready for the hammer. Tapping it in, looks solid. All right, let's torque this down. Now for the oil, got to keep it lubed. Perfect. Now this ratchet gets a workout. All right, let's get this engine in the chassis. Ready, hoist is clear. Lifting now, guide it steady, aligned, bolting it down. All right, torque these bolts first. Got the shock, line it up. Good, secure it. Bolts are tight, next one. All right, let's get this grill on. Got it, ready when you are. Aligning the grill now, securing the brackets. Headlights are next, wiring good, all set, looks great.
Years of neglect left this Mack truck in ruins. Witness its incredible transformation, restored to its former glory, ready for the open road.
Let's get the wheels on, time-lapse mode. Perfect, now the doors. Lights next, secure them tight. Final panels, looks great. All right, let's get this polish on. Focus on the sides, reflections are key. Fine, looking sharp. Perfect. That's the shine we want. All right, let's get this one mounted. Ready, ready. On three. 1, 2, 3. Easy now, align it. Got it, tighten it. Good work. Welcome to Vintage Truck Restorations. Let me show you our latest restoration. Here she is, fully restored and shining.